Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Aren't these curtains absolutely adorable? I was looking for something that was boho inspired, but not too over the top with crochet or macrame or different tassels. And I found the perfect set of curtains from WAZZIO. These are cotton and linen blend, and you can see and feel the quality of this fabric. I just love the different accents with the little knitted look in the middle and then the tassels, of course, on the side. I got the off-white color, and then the tassels are a little bit of a light beige, and I think it complements the look in my bedroom really well. But this also looks amazing anywhere you want to put it. In fact, I also tried them out in my living room. You can see that they do allow some light in. They're not blackout, but they do provide some amount of privacy, which I really like because it gives it a softer look than having complete blackout. WAZZIO has a couple different lengths of curtains that you can get. I went with the 84-inch length because I have a couple different areas in my home that I want to use them in, and having that length gave me a little bit more leeway with where I wanted to use them. These also come with two little ties so that you can tie them up like I have in my closet area to show you the versatility of that. These are such good quality and cute curtains. I absolutely love them, and that's my point of view.